Hello, Parnassians. It's Magister back again. And for this edition, it's technically week 13 because week 12 was the fall break and we didn't have a minute to win it. So I'm going to stay with the same schedule. So this is going to be week 13 or edition 13 of Minute to Win It. And for this one, it's fairly simple, but you are going to need a family member or a friend to help you out with this. You're going to have a sock ball, a tennis ball. If you're a basketball player, you can even use a basketball for like practicing your chest passes. But what I want you to do is stand straight up and down, and then you're gonna like skate over to the one side, 1 foot, throw it and catch it. Go over, throw it and catch it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have a partner in front of you, and when I leap over to my right side, I'm gonna throw the ball, and then I'm gonna throw it back, and I'm gonna catch it with my right hand. And when I leap over to my left foot, I'm gonna throw it with my left hand, and then my partner's gonna throw it back, and I'm gonna catch it with my left hand. So again, like I said, if you're a basketball player and you want to use a basketball, you can do the same thing because it'd be good practicing chest pass, balancing on 1 foot, chest pass and catch, chest pass and catch. And you're doing that leaping from side to side like a skater or rollerblade movement. So you're always on 1 foot, balancing. And like I said, if I leap over to my right, I'm going to throw and catch with my right. Leap over to my left, throw and catch with my left. So set those timers for 60 seconds or a minute. See how many catches, throws and catches you can get in a minute, and then record it and let us know. And that is it for this week 13 edition of Minute to Win It. I hope you guys are having a fantastic time with distance learning. Until we meet again, Parnassians.